Hi and welcome to this presentation of Safran Project 7.1. This presentation is aimed at current users of Safran Project and will focus on new features and changes from previous versions. In developing Safran Project, customer feedback has been a key factor. Safran Project comes with a new user interface. You will instantly notice the ribbon menu that will look familiar to users of Office applications. Several of you plan and work on high-intensity projects where there is a need for detailed control of the project status. To accommodate these projects, you are now able to have multiple cutoffs per day, and during setup you can define the time of day individually for each of these cutoffs. A number of users have told us that they are running out of user fields. We have listened to you and increased the number of available user fields. For instance, in Safran Project 7.1, you now have a total of 60 reference fields available. Related to the increased number of user fields and the use of multi-level WBS codes, we have doubled the number of fields that you can use in the group properties function. Working with a plan, you'll also notice that we have introduced activity types. An activity can now either be of type activity, hammock, or it could be a start or finish milestone. We have also added the option of linking activities between projects that are part of a project group. This will give the users even more options when it comes to scheduling their work in a multi-project environment. In Safran Project 7.1, we have added a feature that allows you to open a project plan directly from File. We support the same file formats for opening as we do for a regular import. Also, we have improved how we deal with the XCR import. After importing from an XCR file, the project plan will open up in a special layout, a Primavera layout, that will compare the XCR dates with the dates calculated by the Safran network analysis. This will help planners identify if and where there are differences between the two methods of analysis. I'm also excited to tell you that with Safran Project 7.1 you can undock features from the main window. If you work in an environment with more than one monitor, you can use both or all of them when you work with Safran Project. With this setup you can choose if you want to work directly in the bar chart editor or if you want to work in the undocked window of the second screen. These are only some of the updates to Safran Project 7.1. We believe you will feel good about these updates, as they give you the functionality you asked for, and at the same time it has made the system easier and more efficient to use.